Hello and welcome to another segment of Design Make Play Show. My name is Aryan, I'm the designer at ZenMaker Lab, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use two-point perspective in your drawings. Have your pencil and paper ready? Let's get started. Last week we talked about how to create one-point perspective. As you guys did, we created a road with street lights, with the road lines, with all the stuff that we did, that things getting closer to us, getting bigger, and the stuff getting further to us, getting smaller. It was one way of looking at things. Today, we're gonna do two-point perspective. In two-point perspective, we use 2 points. And also, we have different approach of looking at stuff. We're looking at stuff more in the corner. So now, in two-point perspective, as the name is obvious, we're using 2 points. Let's put 2 points in on paper. So we're gonna draw lines coming out of my 2 points, like 1-point perspective. I'm gonna draw the lines coming out like this. There we go, one. Just gonna try to create a straight line. As I said before, you guys always can use rulers. It's easier, it's more handy, and it's really perfect for creating perspective. There we go. Created 2 lines, 1 line in here, like mine, created, and there we go. If you pay attention and take a look at stuff, take a look at the thing that you drew, you can see that when I'm seeing the middle, this thing looks like a surface to me, a 3D surface. I'm gonna just color this thing to make sure you guys see that too. So when I have this surface, it means that I'm doing my right thing. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna draw lines coming out of each corners. So have a point in here, draw a line going up, straight lines going up, because we wanna just create a really simple building. There we go, it's going up. Again, I'm just gonna draw like that. Draw another one, draw this one, and there we go. Next thing I'm gonna do, like 1-point perspective again, I'm just gonna draw line crossing these lines that I just drew from these crossing points. So I'm just gonna draw this line. There we go, 1 and 2. If you pay attention, you can see we have that cube that I showed you guys in the segment. So you guys can see I create a corner view of the cube. So I'm seeing the corner of my cube. There we go. Remember, this is always a guide for you guys to create more stuff. So I'm just gonna erase the extras and try to continue on my drawing. Hopefully you guys get this until this point so that you can continue on with me. And then what you can do next, you can just, again, if you want to add details, imagine this is a building. If you want to add details, I need a guide as always. So I'm just going to draw lines coming out like this way. Again, coming the other way. There we go. And there we go. If I want to put windows, I'm going to follow the rule of 2-point perspective. So now the proportion is gonna be really precise. Things getting a bit bigger when they're getting closer to the corner, right? Then I'm gonna draw another one, the windows. These are just the details you can add afterwards. I'm just gonna draw another line going this way. Another line going this way again. There we go. I'm just gonna create the road now. Same idea with 1-point perspective. Just have to, this is the road. Again, I'm gonna erase the extras so that we can have the main drawing work here. Again, erase the extras. As you guys can see, I'm using my guide to create more stuff to it. Even I can create another building sitting next to this building, right? Just can create that using 1-point perspective. There we go. You can draw another line, have a door for the building. So like this, like that. There's a door in here. You can go more complicated and put some other stuff too. Another door in here. So I think you guys know why we're using perspective, so that the proportions are right. The point of using perspective is always getting the proportions right. This is the door. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this segment. This building is Falling Water, done by an American architect called Frank Lloyd Wright. Architects usually use perspective to create these amazing designs. I can't wait to see your designs in near future. My name is Aryan, I'm the designer at Zenmaker Lab. Have a good day and take care.